Merger between Sesa Goa and Sterlite. Now, Vedanta Resources has been speaking to all its shareholders for getting them on board as far as this restructuring is concerned. Remember, a whole host of minority shareholders of Sesa Goa have expressed their concerns as far as the amount of debt that gets transferred into the merged entity is concerned, and also as far as the swap ratio is concerned. Nisha Poddar charges us with exclusive details on what could possibly be a settlement between the management and minority shareholders. Nisha, first up, help us understand what is it that minority shareholders now want from the management.
Right, Sandeep. What I'm gathering from my sources, and I've spoken to quite a few shareholders of Sesa Goa. First of all, they weren't very happy with the swap ratio of 5:3. But in the first round of discussion that they had with Vedanta Group, and that had been taking place over the weekend since yesterday and today, what I've gathered from some of these shareholders is that they have put forth a demand to Vedanta Resources at the moment as part of restructuring. Remember, Vedanta Aluminium, which is a closely held company between Sterlite and Vedanta Resources. Sterlite presently holds about 30% stake in that, and 70% is held by Vedanta Resources. As part of this restructuring process, the loss-making Vedanta Aluminium is 100% coming into the Indian entity, which is Sesa Sterlite. Now, what these shareholders want is that VAL has given intercorporate loan to Vedanta Aluminium. Vedanta Resources has given to Vedanta Aluminium of about 2,300 crore rupees, and they charge an interest rate of 10%. Now, these shareholders say that it's a loss-making entity. Remember, bauxite is something they haven't got, and because of a lack of backward integration, Vedanta Aluminium is a drag on the entire company, and therefore the interest rate should not, or interest cost should not be paid by Vedanta Aluminium, which is part of the Indian listed entity, and to the parent company Vedanta Resources, and that Vedanta Resources should also share some of the burden. Remember, it's a large project by Anil Agarwal, has a total debt of over 27,000 crore rupees, of which a large chunk is from external debt. So already an interest burden is coming on Sesa Sterlite post the entire restructuring is completed. So therefore, Vedanta Resources should also share some part of the burden till bauxite mines and backward integration for this company is settled, and therefore it's not loss making. At the moment, remember, 9 months loss for Vedanta Aluminium for this year has been 2,000 crore rupees. So that is the demand coming in from the shareholders. Of course, it's just first round of discussions. What I've also gathered is that Vedanta Resources has not given any commitment. They have just answered some of the queries that shareholders have put forth. Shareholders have also gone back home to do the later analysis and decide on which way they are going to tilt.